Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. I am here with another video on my ways to make money selling in 2024. Let's jump into the video. As always, I'm going to use my print-on-demand framework, idea, research, platform, product, and design. The idea that we'll be using today is to develop a line of children's products, including custom printed toys, clothing, and nursery decor. My research is I decided to think about ways to make this work on creating a newborn collection that possibly includes nursery and clothing items for rainbow parents. The platform I went with today is Printed Mint. I love their branding, their style, everything about this platform is very high class in my opinion. I think creating baby products through Printed Mint will provide some peace, love, and joy to parents, especially if you created a rainbow collection because of the way that you can package these items. It shows them that you care. All right, so the product I decided to use today are crib sheets. And the design I created was a AI design from Ideogram AI. I basically typed in create a repeated rainbow pattern for a nursery or kids. And this is what it came up with. I put that repeated pattern on a crib sheet, and this is my mock-up for the final product of the kids' crib sheet. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed this idea and ways to make money selling in 2024. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.